So, yeah, welcome to another session of practice set 6 alkyl halides and elimination reactions, Josh. You may now paste items 31 and 32 here in our whiteboard, and then please answer that. Okay, so we're almost done. If I'm not mistaken, 37 items ito. Let me check. I know, 38 pala. Yeah, we're down to the last page later after these items. Yung, yeah. Okay, tapos yung Zoom whiteboard natin. Mag-paste. Akin. Ayun, yan. Nakita ko na. And then you can just paste it here. Siguro kapag sa next chapter natin, Josh, doon tayo lilipat sa right side nitong whiteboard. I think it's really long na. Tsaka habang tumatagal, naalala ko naglo-load siya eh. Parang bumabagal mag-load kasi marami ng info. Okay, ayan. Yeah. Sige, pa-answer lang muna, Josh.
Tardation plans, as in
Yep.
ng
Mm-hmm.
affect.
Yeah, slows down. Mm-mm. As in, it really literally retards the reaction. Yeah. Yan yung ano problem. Parang you need to you need to offer an explanation for that.
Ako will add na grade.
Yeah. Bakit nag-i-slow
Kala
down
ko
kapag nag-add ka ng NABR? Sa una, no effect. Pero dun sa may phenyl, ah diphenyl mo, meron. Bakit?
Aqueous okey, okey.
That's the question. Mhm. But why?
Tama is
Yeah.
okay.
Mhm. Hindi naman na. Parang implied na yun na once I see your answer, part na ng answer or part ng context that the diphenyl cation will be much more stable than your third butyl.
Catalina.
Chatelier. Le Chatelier. Le Chatelier. Yon. Le Chatelier. Are you done, Josh?
Tama.
Sige, go ahead lang. Pero if you're done with 31, you proceed first with 32, ha? And then we'll
Talaga po lahat ng mga buzzword.
yeah. And we'll check both items na lang together. Josh, for both items, it's nice if you will illustrate the mechanism
Tama.
and then identify for both items, even 31, and
Tama.
identify the mechanism. Para at least mas madali siyang ma-explain. You can clearly see it.
Anyway, gawin na lang po yung
Sige. Yeah. Mhm. Go ahead. Josh, our meeting is about to end. We still have 4 minutes though. You just rejoin, ha? So
tama.
that you can continue answering this item. Okay, continue mo lang, Josh, yung pagsagot, ha? Ayan, you're here already din sa board.
Umulan po na malakas.
Oh, ganon. Pero, how about my connection? I mean, the reception there. Ay, hindi ka ba naka-headset or what? Sige, sige. Go ahead lang.
Yan. Pwede po kayo.
Sige. Ayan. Rinig ako? Okay. Rinig? Okay, good. You may now continue answering your item 32. You're now in your second product. Kung ano. Sige, go ahead lang.
Malakas ba po sa'yo na?
Walang ulan dito, Josh. Ang init,
Malakas po, sobrang
actually.
lakas.
Ay, ganon. Alam mo ba, yung sa Makati, like, umulan noon, pero like, dumaan lang siya, malakas din. Then huminto. Tapos nung pagkahinto, doon ako umuwi. Pagkadating ko dito, like, super init.
Tama 'to, tama, tama, sige. Man lang na walang kadidis alam ko na. Ay, Yes, copy paste. Wala. Saan? Taas? Oh,
Inform me Josh if you're done ha.
tama po.
Pero I think you go back na sa ano, 31.
Tama.
Okay. My internet becomes unstable, Josh. Pero open ako ng video later, ha? Basta makapag-ano na tayo. Continue answering lang. I think you're almost done naman na. You good? Sige lang. Okay na. Sige. Okay, we're gonna check that one. Okay, so let's check. Ano nga ito? Okay. Mukhang stable naman yung net ko ulit. Bumalik na siya. Ayan. So let's answer first. I'm going to zoom out lang so that I can read your whole answer here. Okay, let's check first 31. So our problem for 31 is when tert-butyl bromide undergoes SN1 hydrolysis, adding a common ion, sodium bromide, to the aqueous solution. Take note, we have an aqueous solution here. So aqueous solution ng ating environment. Okay? Ay, ano daw ang mangyayari? Has no effect. So even if you add sodium bromide with this to this system, no effect yun sa rate, no? Pero on the other hand, once we have the okay, so once we have the we replace tert-butyl cation with diphenyl cation, which is known to be more stable, nagiging mabagal yung reaction, no? Wherein your water will undergo substitution via SN1 dun sa cation. So we need to provide an explanation for the behavior of these two compounds. So first and foremost, you draw the structures. This is tert-butyl bromide and diphenyl bromide. Okay. So diphenyl methyl bromide. This is the correct name. So pag naging cation siya, you'll form this. This is tert-butyl cation tapos yung diphenyl methyl cation. So correct. Okay, so actually your explanation is clear, no? However, it's really easy for us to check your answers if you have this mechanism. So via SN1, you form first the cation. So ito yung step 1, right? So the diphenyl cation appears more stable since a positive charge. So you also explained, this is bonus, no? Kasi in-explain mo pa bakit mas stable yung diphenyl methyl cation compared to your tert-butyl cation, no? So correct to. Kasi meron kang delocalization or via resonance, no, na stability for the charges. That's the reason why the diphenyl metal cation will be more stable. Versus the tert-butyl cation, though it's stable also, no, kasi tertiary cation yan eh. However, ang stabilization niya kasi ay via inductive effect lang, no? So, and if you will notice, ano pa yon? Naalala mo? Kulang ka lang dito ng isa pa. Hindi lang inductive effect ang stability ng carbocation. Ano pa? Yung mas mahalaga. Kasi mas malaki yung nabibigay niya via what? Inductive effect and naalala mo yun?
Hyperconjugation.
Stability. Very good. Hyperconjugation. Di mo lang siya na-include here. Pero via hyperconjugation, you can also make it also explains the stability of third butyl cation. So, okay lang to. So, bonus ito. Since you've drawn this 1 point, bonus ito, I'll give you 1 point also. Tapos, nung in-explain mo na, no, due to this instability, the third butyl cation reacts with the water in aqueous solution it is in. And since it is relatively unstable, makes the reaction potentially endothermic and irreversible. This is what I'm looking for. Yan.
Wow.
So, yung irreversible. Very good. Tama ito. Yun yung reason kung bakit ang bilis nung reaction ni third butyl carbocation. So, dito, hindi ko lang masyado makita. Ayan. Ito. Siya. Ayan. Ito, you form this, right? So, dapat, okay, tinanggal mo na yung OH. So, actually, OH2 plus pa nga yan. You also have elimination reaction. So, pwedeng ganito siya, Josh. OH pa rin ito. I'll make this one larger. Tapos, ayan. You still have here H. Tapos plus to, kasi yan lang naman yung hinahanap natin. Right? Can you imagine this? Okay. Tapos, hindi mo na to, ayan, okay pala, hindi to reversible. So, lahat to nakaganyan. Pwede ring maglagay ka ng ano, I'm giving you the idea ha. Kasi di ba reversible to supposed to be? Kasi ito yung slow step mo eh. Ganyan siya dapat. However, the backward or the reverse reaction is not happening because this one, yung third butyl cation, reacts fast dun sa water mo. So, yun yung reason kung bakit even if you add here, di ba mag-add ka ng sodium bromide?
Yes. Aba.
Right?
Pero
even if you add sodium bromide here,
wala.
Okay. Hindi siya magbabalik dun sa original niya. No? So, hindi na siya babalik. Papunta dun sa ito. Ay, nag-unstable yung net ko, Josh. Nag-message siya. Ayan. Hindi siya babalik papunta dito sa original mo na compound from to your alkyl halide. So, yun yung ano dyan, observation. Yun ang observation natin. However, pero dito, no, kapag ito inad mo, okay, deprotonation. Ayan. So, kaya mong mapabalik siya dun sa original. Kasi si bromide ay nag-react, no? Papunta dito. So, bakit? Bakit ganyan yung observation? So, ano ang sagot mo? Correct, no? Yung hinahanap ko dito kasi yung kay third butyl carbocation, yung reaction niya with water is irreversible. No? So, once nag-react na yung water mo dun sa third butyl cation, irreversible siya kasi sobrang bilis. So, reaction is immediate. Samantalang dun sa diphenyl methyl cation, since stable si diphenyl cation, no? Diphenyl carbocation, mas mabagal siya mag-react or longer time, correct? And less reactive to water. Thus, once you add the bromide dun sa system mo, kaya niyang bumalik dun sa original alkyl halide. So, that's correct, no? So, adding a common ion, bromide, you'll have increasing rate wherein you convert back your diphenyl carbocation back to its original alkyl halide. So, correct. So, this makes the water step determining and reaction is now Reversible. Very good, no? So, technically, Josh, hindi rin siya same ng rate, no? In fact, anong mas papaboran ng ano mo, diphenyl carbocation mo? Yung formation nitong bromide, nung nung alkyl halide mo, diphenyl, bromo, diphenyl methane, o ito, yung carbocation mo, diphenyl methyl carbocation. Sinong mas papaboran niya? So, pero okay lang yan yung arrow mo Sino? Sino?
Huh?
Sinong mas papaboran niya?
Oh, wait.
Kapag ano to ha, kapag nag-add ka na ng ano ha, ng sodium bromide.
Okay. Wait. Dapat,
correct. Pag nag-add ka na ng bromide dun sa system, di ba kaya niya nang bumalik dun sa original alkyl halide?
Babalik mo siya.
So ngayon, yung reaction mo, yung reversible mo, it makes the reaction reversible, right? Pero hindi balance yan. So, reversible siya pero may mas pinapaborang reaction. Tingin mo, sino kaya yung mas pinapaborang reaction? Yung formation ni carbocation or yung formation ni alkyl halide? We're talking about the diphenyl cation muna. Sinong pinapaboran kaya, Josh?
Saan ba? Normally? Or yung pag nalagay? Dapat ito. Kadinagdagan na.
Sino?
Alkyl halide po dapat.
Sino?
Kadinagdagan.
Kapag dinagdagan, kasi nga naman, nagdagdag ka ng sodium bromide. In fact, ang tamang sagot, Josh, hindi naman to hindi naman na to part. Ito, kasi mas stable nga to eh. You form this. So, dapat ang reaction mo dyan, ang reaction arrow mo ay, ayan, ganyan siya. Tapos mas maliit to. Ganito. Can you imagine? Yan. Ito kasi balanced to, right? Pero this one is not so balanced na. So you have you favor the formation of the diphenyl methyl carbocation versus this alkyl halide.
Laki siya.
Sino? Sinong mas malaki yung concentration kapag tayo, instantaneous na concentration? And nag-save lang ulit, Josh. Open ako in a while. Yes, Josh, sino ang mas malaki yung concentration? Sorry, hindi ko na-pick up yung sinabi mo.
Yung
Ayan, sa dalawa. Kasi reversible na yan eh.
Kaya ito talaga po. For sure, carbocation.
Di ba naging reversible na tong carbocation? Correct. So, naging reversible na kasi ito gawa ng addition ni sodium bromide eh. Pero like what I mentioned, no, ang formation ni carbocation, yung mas favorable na reaction dun sa equilibrium. Okay, so at any given instant, if we will measure them, mas malaki yung concentration ni carbocation over the alkyl halide or alkyl bromide mo. No? So, this is correct. Yeah, may Le Chatelier ka. That's also another point, no? Yung NABR dapat, it effectively adds bromine, no? Addition of NABR. And then, i-compete niya yung substitution ni water. Correct, no? So, compete with the water for potential reaction. You know the reaction, minsan you just mention na lang, SN1. Yan, no? Di ba potential reaction? Diretso mo na to. Sabihin mo lang SN1. Correct? Kasi di ba SN1 naman talaga ang nangyayari? Right?
Yes. Tama.
So it competes with the these bromine ions compete with the SN1 reaction of water with the diphenyl carbocation and push the reaction leftwards or going to the reactant side or your alkyl bromide, no? The diphenyl bromide, which is the common ion effect, which explains partially why the reaction is retarded or slowed down, no? Another reason is the activation energy. This is also good, no? I like this. Another reason the activation of the diphenyl reacting with bromine is probably less due to its stability. So dahil stable siya, mas mababa yung EA natin. We can easily go back dun sa alkyl bromide. EA, the activation energy.
Yes.
Okay, good. Yeah, sige. I'm very much satisfied. Pinakita mo rin yung ano mo, mechanism. So with that, I'll give you 4 points for this, 4 out of 4. However, Josh, nagbigay ka din kasi ng explanation nung para why is your, ano nga ito? Ayan, ito, at saka ito. Why is your third methyl cation ay less stable compared to your diphenyl methyl carbocation. No? So, yung unang paragraph mo. So, this is 5 out of 4. Wow, 5 out of 4. Bumawi siya ngayon talaga. So, 5 out of 4 to ha, this item.
Wow.
Why? Oh, I'm generous today. So, 5 out of 4.
Wow.
Anyway, by the way, Joshua, our meeting is about to end. Just join na lang ha, pag nag-end na. Tapos, this is really nice, no? So yung 32, ang ganda nitong problem na to kasi it will test your knowledge about the stability of carbocations at the same time with the participation of double bond. May resonance ka na involved. So correct, no? Either SN1 or E1 lang ang mangyayari dapat. Very good. Either SN1 or E1 lang. Tapos, ang first step mo, so SN1 and E1, di ba they share common, they share first step, di ba? Common step yan eh, ng both mechanisms, SN1 and E1. So you'll leave, the halide will leave your compound to form your carbocation. Okay, this is correct. Yan na yung first step mo. Tapos, depende dun sa carbocation mo, yung magiging product. So, if we will just proceed via SN1, we'll form the first product. Very good. If we'll have the resonance no nito, dito malilipat yung positive side. Diyan ngayon magkakaroon ng attack. Doon mangyayaring substitution. You form the second product. Very good. Ito yung gusto ko na kitang-kita mo ngayon yung electron movement.
Oh.
Ayan. Hello, Josh. Can you now hear me? Am I audible?
Yes, Aba.
Audible ba, Josh?
Yes, Aba.
Ay, sorry. Naglalag ka. Ayan. Hello, Josh. Can you now hear me?
Yes, Aba.
Okay, sige. Ay, nag-unstable yung connection ko. Pero anyways, mukhang rinig mo naman ako. So, yung second reaction nga is you form the second product, no? So, if you will notice here, the first two reactions will follow the SN1 mechanism. Ayan, very good. So, that will form these two products. Tapos, yung third and fourth reaction, siya naman yung undergo ng elimination. So, kaya naging dalawa na yung double bonds mo no dun sa products 3 and 4. So ngayon, either dito ka mag-eliminate kung nasan yung positive, no? So pag dito, correct, you form this product, this is good, really, really good. Ayan. Tapos, pag mag-undergo ng resonance, yung elimination mo ay beta hydrogen dun sa carbocation. So dapat yung beta hydrogen sa ano nga to, in the context of your relative to your carbocation, kung sino yung carbon bearing the positive charge, kunin mo yung beta hydrogen nun, no? So that will form the elimination products. Good. Ngayon may tanong ako, Josh. Can you hear me? Intindihan ba? Ayan, may tanong ako, Josh. Di ba may beta hydrogen ka din dito sa mismong double bonds mo? Ay, actually sa double bond lang pala kasi isa pa lang naman siya. Ayan. Right? Tapos ito, may beta hydrogen ka din. Bakit hindi pwede dyan? Bakit hindi pwede? Sige nga, i-react mo nga yung third and fourth kapag dyan siya kukuha ng beta hydrogen. Sige, you try. Paano kapag dyan yung gusto ko? Kasi beta hydrogen din yan, di ba? Right?
Yes. Aba.
Sige nga, try mo. Sige, try mo, Josh. Ayan.
Aba.
Either. Sa third and fourth. Okay, and then you undergo elimination.
Oh, wait. I-attack siya. Okay, aba.
Saan mo ilalagay? Go. Sige, ano mo. I-react mo yung methanol. Methanol nga ba ang binigay or ethanol? Methanol.
Mahirap kasi hindi linear yung double bond. First strain. Pwede. Pero super.
Yeah. At hindi siya bent, right? Ano yan dapat?
Dapat straight siya. So, siguro mag-straighten. Wait lang. Siguro mag-straighten to. Wait lang.
Ayaw mo? Oh, kawawa naman yung ring.
Bakit ba? Wow.
Highly strained.
Pwede, pero
highly strained.
Aba.
Really highly strained. Cannot be. Virtually. Virtually possible. But ano siya? Realistically impossible. Or kung meron ka mang byproduct na ganyan, very, very, very small ang mabubuo. How about, may isa pa na product? Paano kung sa kabila ibibigay yung double bond? Sa kabilang side. Sige nga, Josh. What if sa kabilang side siya ibibigay? Yeah, pwede yan, di ba? Why not?
Okay, yes. Kasi, this is the perfectly normal carbon.
Sige, ipakita mo. Another ano.
Ano?
Sige, i-attack mo siya.
Perfectly fine.
Hindi, gawin mo red. Red naman, yung ano, or other color, like green, ganyan.
Ano ba?
Okay. Iba na yung inano mo. Pwede kasing ganito siya, Josh, oh. Ayan. Gagawin mo ito. Ay,
ultimate efficiency.
ganyan, ganun lang.
Without even making
no,
a new
ganyan din
arrow.
siya.
Wow. Tama.
Diba, green? Gaganon lang. So, alam ko na yung matic na green.
First time magamit yung...
Why?
Wow, our debut appearance of
See, diba? At least, green din dapat yan. Green product.
Okay.
Use the green one.
Wow, debut appearance.
That's a perfectly fine product. Oh.
Lone pair. Oh.
Ano ba? Ba't magkaka-lone pair? Walang lone pair. Double one lang talaga siya. Hindi, tsaka dapat gawin mong straight yan, pati yung kabila, yung may metal. Di ba? Hindi naman yun dapat nakaganyan. Oh, how will you do that?
Stop. Wait lang.
Right? Correct? Am I correct?
Okay.
Okay, wow. And then,
Para po sa knife.
What? Hindi, dapat ano pa rin, straight siya eh. So it means that is what?
The normal
Hoy, ilan na yan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lang yan eh. 6 naman.
The normal tetravalent.
Hoy, 5 lang yan, Josh. Count mo, di ba?
Wow.
Ayan.
Aesthetically pleased. Di ba ba?
So parang no choice na ibibenta talaga.
Cellphone na sa di ba ba? Yung cellphone.
Yeah.
Weird telephone.
So, X din to. So, these structures are virtually possible. Parang theoretically, okay, intindihin natin sila. They may be present. Pero it's impractically and realistically plausible, no, na mabubuo tong mga products na ito. Take note, as products sila, not only intermediate, correct? So, products yan. So, hindi yan pwede. May isa pang product, Josh, na hindi pinakita dito. Ano kaya yun? Can you think of any product? Or may additional product pa ba? Tingin mo.
Ano ba?
Sa reaction na to. Kaya ang gulo, no? Ang gulo ni SN1 tsaka E1, no? Ang dami niyang possible products, lalo na kung ganito yung system mo. Mayroon ka pang, ang tanong ko ay may possible ka pa bang product na mabuo aside from these 4?
Yes, abang.
Sige, ano pa? Kung may nakikita ka.
Ito ay lilipat. Wait.
Sige, gawin mo 5.
Wait na ba?
Lagyan mo siya 5. 5, 6, whatever. Kung ilang items. Saan dyan siya nilipat?
Wait ako. I refuse to accept na.
Wala na. Okay na tayo.
Wait lang.
Sige, go ahead.
Pero gagawin. Terminal. Right.
5th. Yan, sige. 5th na to. Number 5. Sige, lagay mo lang number 5 na to. Tignan mo, Taray, meron pa tayong nakuwang additional na product if ever. I'm going to check that kung tama nga yan. Ayun. So, we have another beta hydrogen. Doon na nasa taas, no? Yung sa terminal. So,
Wow.
May additional ka pang product, right?
Tama. Yes.
Correct. Oh. Uy, tandaan mo tong mga dinrowing mong kakaiba ha. Baka kasi sabihin mo, ano lang yan. Joke time, nagjo-joke time ako. Yung mga ganitong itsura. Anyways, correct. So that is your another product. No? So actually, we have 5 products here. Ito pa. So bonus lang ulit ito kasi tinowing mo. So, dapat pala sinabi ko sa'yo, if you have any products in mind, paki-add. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5 dahil meron ka pang isa. So, 5 over 4.5 ka dito sa item na to. I'm generous today. So may extra 0.5 ka. Gawa nitong additional product. Okay. Okay na tayo dito, Josh. Any questions for items 31 and 32? Okay, go. Let's proceed to items 33 and 34. So, ayan. Wait lang. I'm going to share my screen for this one. Sige, whatever item lang yung matapos natin today, Josh. So, pwede na to 33 to 35. You can take the screenshot. Yung may beta lactam. Until 35, Josh. Kaya? Ayan. Kaya ma-screenshot? Okay, good. Just tell me if you're done, ha? So that I can share the whiteboard also. Okay na? I'm going to share our whiteboard na.
Ano ba?
Ayan. We're sharing our whiteboard. Ang tagal naman mag-load nung sa akin. Wait. Ayan, nag-off lang ako ng video, Josh. Oh. Ang tagal niya mag-share. Wait lang. Share ko lang tong screen ko. Tapos, i-re-share ko yung whiteboard natin. What? Ayan. Ayun, nag-load na. Ayan. Okay na, Josh?
Yes.
Please paste na yung items 33 to 35. We still have 20 minutes left pa naman. 24 minutes left.
I said, oh no.
Why? Though the image is still loading on my end. Is it fixed na sa'yo? Like, it's clear?
Yes, haba.
Okay. Baka naglo-load lang sa end ko. Sige. Please start answering number 33. Ayan na. Nag-load na din sa akin ng clear. So for number 33, although there are 9 stereoisomers of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexachlorocyclohexane, one stereoisomer reacts 7,000 times more slowly than any of the others in an E2 elimination. Draw the structure of this isomer and explain why this is so. So if you want, you can draw the 9 stereoisomers. I think it's better to draw the 9 stereoisomers. Sige, Josh, you can answer 33 para at least we can add this checked items natin.
Esa ba?
Okay, record ko lang din yung scores mo. Number 32 ay, wow, bumawi. 5 over 4.5. So number 33, 31, 5 out of 4. Sobra ang scores ngayon. And then sa 30 mo kasi ay over 4. 2.4 over 4 ka lang. 2.4 over 4. Pause. Sa 29 mo, you have 2 out of, ayun. Yep, 2 out of 2. So, item mo na. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Out of 10. This one is 2, 3, 5, 7, 8.9. 8.9 out of 10. Okay na, complete ko na. Until 38 ang item natin.
Alam ko na.
Yes, Josh, you're done with 33. We're left with 15 minutes.
Tapos na ba?
Okay, sige. Ay, bakit? Patapos na. I'm not seeing any stereoisomers na na-drawing pa.
Ano, yung anti-perplanar, pwede pa po siya mag-react with E2? Or talaga? Diba?
Hindi ko alam.
Diba?
Based dun sa lesson natin ay ano.
Hindi na po sinabi kung hard no ba siya or very, very.
Pwedeng very, very slowly yan.
Okay. Kasi kung talagang not possible at all.
Mm-mm. Yeah. Mm. You draw the 9 isomers, Josh. I
Ano ba?
suggest. Para we can clearly
Yes, no?
see. Please, yes.
I heard a yes when. Just trying to live my life. Wow, ganda ng cyclohexane. Wow. Tap in for that.
Since maganda yung cyclohexane mo, I guess it's time for you to draw the 9 isomers using that one as your template.
Fine. Come on. I accept my defeat. Anyway, so i-explain part of
We still have 10 minutes left, Josh.
other 8 po na bale.
Ay, wow. Mm-hmm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, wow. Oh, I
Wow.
told you, di ba?
Wow.
I told you. It's really nice. So it will be easy for you to draw.
Don't think this is going to be honestly.
Oh, don't worry. I know that uh all that I will see there, all lines, no, dun sa substituents
Aba.
will be for chlorine. Parang may gusto kong additional challenge for you. Parang additionally, which one kaya will be the most reactive? No?
Pinaka-actual.
Hmm. Parang ano yon? Gusto kong
Um,
i-add. Sige lang.
anyway,
Mhm.
ako kasi bakit 9 lang? So, clearly may redundant.
Yeah, 9 lang siya. So,
May
very good
redundant.
observation. Clearly, may redundant. Or hindi siya redundant. Same molecule.
Aba, yes, exactly. Molecule. Kung naubusan ako at exactly 9, okay na yan. Wait lang. Ba't may isa ba? Tang, 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 tang,
Mhm.
tang, tang, tang. Ako nakuha. Tang, tang. May isa. Oh, that's not good. Nakuha ko. 11 proud ka ba? All, all up, all up, up, up. Kailangan bang ganito or ano? So, sir, I need to get rid of all of this. Yung equatorial is up, up, up. Tapos, na po may nangyari. Ano? So,
Yeah, go ahead lang.
ako ng better system.
Mhm. Meron ka na nung ano, 3 equatorial, 3 eggshell.
Yes, opo.
Or same sila, same molecule sila. Tandaan mo, Josh, kapag flip mo, dapat hindi niya katumbas yung isa. Kasi ang ring flip ay same lang eh. Same molecule sila. Gets? Ay, aray. Ay, anyway, Josh, we're about to end kasi dito. Continue mo lang ha. Para at least sa Friday, next meeting natin, we're already done with this. Continue mo to gamit yung link natin. I think I already shared the link, di ba? Para at least
Pwede po ipadala
kahit hindi...
kung pwede po. Yung
Oo.
dito po sa Zoom chat.
Ah,
Para
sige,
masave ko
sige.
po sa bookmark.
Sana. Ayan. Para at least you can still do this while, after we end this meeting. Interesting
Okay.
to kasi ano siya, buti na lang pinagawa ko sa'yo kasi I want you to be familiar with the